Hi, this is Linda. Today our topic is the origin of Dragon Ball Festival. The origin of Dragon Ball Festival. The Dragon Ball Festival, also called Double Fifth Festival, is celebrated on the fifth day of the fifth moon of the lunar calendar. The Chinese Dragon Ball Festival is a significant holiday celebrated in China and the one with the longest history. It is one of the most important Chinese festivals, the other two being the Autumn Moon Festival and Chinese New Year. The origin of this festival centers around a scholarly government official named Qu Yan. He was a good and respected man, but because of the misdeeds of jealous rivals, he eventually fell into disfavor in the emperor's court. Unable to regain the respect of the emperor, in his sorrow, Qian threw himself into Miluo River. Because of their admiration for Qian, the local people living close to Miluo River rushed into their boats to search for him while throwing rice into the waters to appease the river dragons. Although they were unable to find Qian, their efforts are still commemorated today during the Dragon Ball Festival. The bull races during the Dragon Ball Festival are traditional customs to attempts to rescue the patriotic point Jian. Jian drowned on the fifth day of the fifth lunar month in 277 BC. Chinese citizens now throw bamboo leaves filled with cooked rice into the water. Therefore, the fish could eat the rice rather than the hero point. This later on turned into the custom of eating rice dumplings. The celebration is a time for protection from evil and disease for the rest of the year. It is done so by different practices, such as hanging healthy herbs on the front door, drinking nutritious concoctions like real guard wine, and displaying portraits of evil nemesis, Zhongkui. If one managed to stand an egg on its end at exactly 12 noon, the following year will be a lucky one. The end.